Hello guys, this is Radhika Agarwal. Today our topic is Raghuram Rajan. So let's see. Mr. Raghuram Rajan is an Indian economist and service professor of finance at the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. He was born in 1963 Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh in India. His father's name was R. Govinda Rajan and his mother's name was Maithili Rajan. His wife's name was Radhika Rajan. He completed his secondary education from Delhi Public School. In 1981, he enrolled at Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi for the bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. In 1985, he completed his engineering and was awarded the Director's Gold Medal as the best all-rounder student. In 1991, Rajan joined as an assistant professor of finance at the Booth School of Business at the University of Chicago. He wrote many books like Saving Capitalism from the Capitalist, I Do What I Do, etc. He served as the president of the American Finance Association. Between 2003 and 2006, he was chief economist and director of research at the International Monetary Fund. In November 2008, Indian Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh appointed Rajan as the honorary economic advisor. He became a member of the American Academy of Arts and Science in 2009. In 2012, Rajan appointed as Chief Economic Advisor to India's Ministry of Finance. He prepared Economic Survey of India for the year 2012 and to 2013. From September 2013 through September 2016, Raghuram Rajan was 23rd Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. In 2015, during his tenure at the RBI, he became the Vice Chairman of the Bank for International Settlement. India's Raghuram Rajan has appointed Governor of the Bank of England. He is called as rockstar and a financial prophet in the field of economics. So that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.